The overall goal of this procedure is to describe the preparation of porous and solid aluminophosphate matrices or nanothermite foams by the reaction of aluminum nanopowder with orthophosphoric acid.
This method can help answer key questions in the nanothermite field, such as how to stabilize the nanothermite loose powder into a solid porous monolithic reactive object. The main advantage of this technique is that nanothermites are transformed into solid objects which are easy to handle and do not contain free nanoparticles. Demonstrating the procedure will be Cédric Martin, a postdoc from my laboratory.
To begin this procedure, first weigh out 3.00 grams of aluminum nanopowder. Using a 3 ml polyethylene pasteur pipette, add 4.00 grams of an 85% commercial solution of orthophosphoric acid dropwise to a 150 ml beaker. Use a 1 ml polyethylene pasteur pipette to add between 0 and 2 milliliters of deionized water and slowly rotate the beaker by hand to homogenize the solution. Next, transfer the beaker to the explosion chamber. Add the pre-weighed aluminum nanopowder to the beaker. Use a stainless steel spatula to quickly mix the solution. Immediately close the explosion chamber. Then, wait for the foaming reaction to occur.